Alright, so this is what happens when there's a seed that is not quite moist enough, or it's too small. The leaves catch and they can't fold out. So this one got able to pop out. And you can see the difference. These two came up at the same time, and yet this one wasn't able to come out of its seed pod. I have another one over here. So if they're okay enough, what you can do is grab the leaves and then pull off the seed shell with tweezers. Just lightly kind of tug. Sometimes you might break the leaves, but you might lose the whole plant otherwise. And there he goes. And he'll spread out once he hits the light, but you can give him a little nudge. So if you don't do this, that whole plant is going to die because he can't spread out. And they'll never put on their second or third sets of leaves. This can also happen if you don't follow the depth instruction for seed planting. They don't have enough time to pull out of the seed pod before they come up. This one might recover. We'll watch him. He'll be okay. It's also why you double plant. So there's two in here. If that one does eventually die, he'll be okay because we got a bunch of other seeds that are good to go. Hope this helps you know why this happens, what to do when it does, and how to prevent it. Thanks for stopping by.